today's tooltip, I'll show you how to import a VRML model into iGrind. VRML stands for Virtual Reality Modeling Language, and it's an option. So when you open up a ball nose tool or a corner radius tool, you'll see this import function if you have this option turned on. So the idea is to scan or get an image or get a VRML model from any other CAD or any other software programs, and you bring that into iGrind and match the cutting edge. So let's import a ball nose VRML, open it, and you can see now how the VRML is being overlaid, and you can see the cutting edge of the actual ball nose now, and we need to match the original VRML model. We've got a few options here where you can adjust the rotation. Also, we can do the X position. If it's not correct, you can match that first, and you can also make the model transparent based on what is required, at that stage, if you need to have a better visuality. So to start doing that, we've got certain parameters. I'm in the designer edge, and then let's start with the helix offset 1, and then let me keep changing parameters one by one. So, and you can see now slowly the cutting edge is actually trying to come in line with the VRML model. Let me make this strength to 35%, and then I need to get the rest of the cutting edge laid out. So now you can see the model and the cutting edge actually is in alignment. So, and the helix, the OD, everything is aligned. Next stage, what we do is we do a 3D simulation of this and look at where the material is, and then we can bring it back and then adjust some of the small parameters. I hope this will be of much help to you if you want to replicate the geometry or try to match an existing ball nose tool in iGrind.